Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Hobby Hardwood, Alabama, your favorite sawmill channel, except today we are doing some yard work. It's not really yard work, it's pond work. It's the end of the year. It's gonna be our last trimming of the pond. I have a very nice weed eater. I hate them, don't use it. I use the excavator. Can't stand weed eaters. I mean, they're fine, but I don't like them. So we're coming down to the pond. It's fall. Alrighty, let's get some mowing done. I'm sitting on the edge of a 30-foot dam and I really don't want to fall out. Should be the last time I've got to do this until next spring or summer. So I got to get a pretty good job, because what'll happen is in the winter time, these deadgum armadillos and possums and whatever critters will come in here and they will dig a hole. And last thing you want is a pond owner with a big dam is a critter boring into your dam. Even Chip wants to get in on the act here. Right, Chip? Here, get that hunk of wood. Get it. Oh, no. Move it over there. Come on, get it. Let's go. tried to mow this the other day with our really nice Kubota zero turn. And when they say don't mow slopes with a zero turn, they're not kidding. Because I've watched enough YouTube videos of people going in the water. And I was pretty close to it. I don't know if you can see that big old track mark. That was there and there. That was me spinning out. This is the back of the dam. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but it's a big dam. Steep, about 28 feet. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look real big. It's like that big. That's about that big. Once I get that done, I'm pretty much done for down here. Thanks for visiting our sawmill. Click on the links above to see more of our videos.